Hey guys, this is Loves to Loom. I'm here to show you how to make my Dizzy Dash bracelet. It is a reversible design. Here's the other side of it as well. To make this bracelet, you will need about 65 bands depending on your wrist size. Also make sure that you have one loom, your hook, as well as one C-clip. I'm going to be alternating between the Green Mint and Fuchsia Limited Edition bands from the Rainbow Loom website. And then I'll also have white, the regular white bands as well. So let's go ahead and get started. Please make sure to turn the middle pin around facing the opposite direction. It just makes the hooking a little bit easier. And today we're only going to be using these 4 pins to make this bracelet. So first you're going to start with your middle pin here. And we're going to add one white band on. And we're going to put that vertically, but we're going to twist it into a figure 8. Like that. Now we're going to add one of our border bands, which is going to be laid horizontal. So from the left, pull it over to the right, but we're also going to twist this as well, just like a figure 8 or infinity sign. Okay, now that we have those 2 bands laid, we're going to do a hooking step. So we're going to grab this white band on the bottom peg, and we're going to bring that forward back upon itself on the peg in front of it, just like that. Go ahead and push them down. We're going to add another white band vertically, but this time we are not going to twist it. Just lay it straight across like that. Okay, so now we are actually going to turn the loom like so. And you're going to grab the very bottom band on this peg. Just one single band. Bring it up, over, and release. So now there should only be 2 bands on this peg. Go ahead and turn your loom back around. Push the bands down a little bit. And now we are ready to add another border band. And we're going to lay that from the left to the right side, horizontal, without twisting it. Okay, now we are going to go ahead and grab this white band here. Again, we're going to pull it up and over, placing it back upon itself on the peg in front of it. Okay, go ahead and push those down again, because we are going to be adding another white band. Go ahead and lay that vertically, just like that. And go ahead and turn that loom around again. Now this time, you should actually have 4 white bands on this peg. And what we're going to do is grab the bottom 2 bands. The first time we did 1, but now we're going to do the bottom 2, and we're going to do that for the rest of the bracelet. So grab those 2 bottom bands, bring it up and over. And go ahead and turn that loom back around. Now we're going to grab the bottom band on the right peg, bring it up and over, and then we're going to do the same on the left. Bring that bottom band up and over. Now let's go ahead and push those bands down. And now we're going to go ahead and start that process all over again. So we're going to grab another border band and lay that horizontally. Okay, and now we're going to grab this white band here. And we're going to pull it forward to that peg in front of it. Okay. Go ahead and grab another one of your white bands, and we're going to lay that vertically, like that. Go ahead and turn your loom. Again, we should have 4 white bands. Go ahead and grab the 2 bottom bands, bringing them up and over. Now we can go ahead and hook the side bands. So go ahead and grab that bottom band, bring it up and over, and do the same to the left side. Push those down. Go ahead and grab another horizontal band, lay that across. I'm going to grab this white band here and bring that forward. Push those down a little bit. Go ahead and grab another white band and lay that vertically. Go ahead and turn that around. Grabbing the 2 bottom bands, bringing it up and over. So from this point on, it is the same 5 steps that you will be doing over and over again. Again, go ahead and grab the bottom side band, bringing it up and over. Once you do the looping process a few times, it's fairly easy. I will go ahead and do it a couple more times so you can see. We're going to be laying our horizontal band. And now we're going to grab that white band, looping it forward. Now we're laying another white band vertically. We are going to turn the loom, and now we are going to loop the bottom 2 bands, bringing them up and over. Now looping the sides. Now once it starts to grow, it kind of starts getting smushed between the pins here. You can pull it out any way that you'd like. If you have a rainbow loom, you can pull it down through the bottom, or you can pull it back through here, or even to the side. I like to pull it forward. It's just a little bit easier. So that's what I have so far. You can see the dashes already starting to form here. So I'm going to go ahead and continue doing it. You can certainly go ahead and follow along. I'm going to actually stop giving directions at this point, but feel free to pause or rewind if you feel that you need to, rewatch it for further instructions. And this is actually my first YouTube video. So if I'm going a little bit too fast or a little bit too slow, I do apologize. Hopefully I can get a little bit better at this. I've been wanting to get some of the designs up on my channel for quite some time, and I'm just glad to finally be able to get one up for you guys. And I'm talking, and now I just actually made a boo-boo. Let me put these back down. Sorry about that. So at this point, I'm actually going to go ahead and go off camera, and then I will come back when I'm finished, and we can go ahead and I'll show you how to close the bracelet. Again, if you need any further instructions, please feel free to pause and rewind to go over that again, and I will be right back. Okay, guys, so I have completed my bracelet. So what we're going to do is go ahead and close it up. What you want to make sure is that you end on the last step, which would be looping the 2 sides. So I would just make sure it looks something like this. There should be 1 band on this front peg, 1 band on the side pegs, and then there should be 2 bands on this front peg, or back peg, sorry. Okay, so go ahead and grab one of your side bands or border bands, and we're going to lay that horizontal, just like that. Then we're going to grab this white band here and pull that forward. Now this time we are not going to add our white vertical band. We're going to go ahead and loop, so turn your loom around, grabbing the bottom 2 bands, bringing it up and over, turn that loom back around, and then go ahead and loop the 2 sides. So now we should just have 1 band on our side pegs, and then there should be 1 band on our back peg. Now grab another one of your white bands, and this time we're actually going to lay a triangle on these 3 pins right here. So just a regular triangle, like that. And we're going to loop the sides over. So grab that right side, bring it up and over. Do the same for the left side, up and over. And then we're going to bring this last one up and over. Okay. Now what we're going to do is grab this middle band here off of that peg. Just be a little bit careful that that band doesn't slide off. And we are going to pull that over to the right pin, like that. Just be very careful because it can slip off very easily. Go ahead and push that down. And now we're going to bring the left side over. And I like to put my finger in the middle here so that I don't lose these bands. So just hold on to that so you don't lose them. And bring your band over. And just hook that onto that pin like that. So now we should have 3 bands on that peg, like that. And now we can go ahead and put our C-clip on it. Hopefully that wasn't too hard or confusing. And just make sure you have it through all 3 bands. And then you can go ahead and pop it off the pin. Carefully slide your hook out. I like to give it a little tug. You can go ahead and clip them together. On this side, you have 2 white bands here, and then you have the green in there, which is your border band. I like to hook it to the green ones. They're just a little bit more sturdy. Sorry, just having a little hard time getting this hooked here. Alright, there we go. Alright, so here we have my Dizzy Dash bracelet. I really like this design. I hope you guys like it as well. Like I said, it is reversible, and I just think it's really unique. It's not a very hard bracelet to make, but yeah, it's super cute. So please hit the like button below if you did like this tutorial or if it helped you at all. And then please hit the subscribe button. I greatly appreciate it, and I hope you come back to check out some more tutorials in the future. Thanks so much, guys. Bye.